find the derivative of this function. So ito yung muna ating gagawin, yung first step. So ito ay magiging ln x over yung base na 10, ln 10. Ayan. So sunod ay di-differentiate na natin, de-derive na natin. So yung constant multiplier natin, 1 over ln 10. Ayan. So at i-derive natin yung ln x. So kopyahin natin yung 1 over ln 10. And then yung derivative ng ln x ay 1 over x. At i-multiply na natin, 1 times 1 is 1 over ln 10 times x will become x ln 10. So ito na yung kanyang derivative.